make a small exhibition center in Rhino software.
I'll draw rectangles vertically. Then I'll offset and it should be in C-plane. Then I'll take loft and I'll select the rectangles and I'll make surface. Then I'll blend the surfaces. Then I'll set the middle of 3 curves planar. Then I'll close the top portion. Then I'll extrude the sides. Then I'll draw one rectangular plane and I'll trim the extended portion. Then I'll delete the front boxes. Then I'll duplicate the border and I'll offset the surface. Then I'll split it and I'll explode it. And it's done. Let me go for rendered view and let me give glass. This is the final result.